Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, power door locks, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.